Hey guys, welcome back to Side Hustle Keisha. You guys know I share video and tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles here on my site. I try to focus on remote jobs that you could do from home, but every now and then I'll share with you opportunities that you could do and get out the house a little bit. Also, home-based businesses that I find are very interesting, or business opportunities that you can do. If that your goal is to have multiple streams, this is the channel that you continue to watch. If you're looking for remote jobs, I share those as well. So if this skill set doesn't meet your skill set, please do me a favor and share it with your friend or family. Share it on your social media platforms. If you do apply, please drop below in the comments and let us know that you applied. If you get an interview, we want to celebrate with you. Come back and let us know. If you get the job, I want to celebrate with you. Please tell me. I want to send you something if you do get the job. I love those type of comments, because that lets people know that, lets me know that I'm being helpful, and then lets people know these are real jobs. So I do just the same research that you could do, but I want to do it for you. If you haven't had the time to do it, or you want to listen while you're at your other job, I'm going to share other opportunities to you. So this is one. If you don't have the skill set, please share this with somebody else. The company is called Casa. So I want to share with you a little bit about Casa. This is one of their hotels that they can send you to. So here's Casa. You can book your Casa now. Search for stylish design, professional managed apartments and hotel rooms at a sensible price. So they're looking for someone to help their guests and be a specialist to their guests. But before I go into the job opportunity, I did a little research, just a little bit about the company, what they do, what they offer. Safe, comfortable, and reliable apartments and hotel rooms. Casas are the ideal accommodation during your uncertain times. We maintain strict cleanliness standards and offer 24/7 contactless access for our safety and comfort. So how it works is search our listings for impeccable managed and maintained apartments to find the perfect casa for you. Book our easy booking interface guides. You through the process seamlessly arrive. It's time for you to stay. Your one-stop virtual front desk will have all the information you need. Enjoy. We're here. You're here, and we're going to help you with 24/7 support, but only if you want us to. Otherwise, we leave it to you. So it's very easy access. You can find a beautiful place to stay. They walk you through the steps. Once you get there, if you need them, they're still there to guide you, and that will be your job because you'll be a customer experience specialist. But let me just tell you a little bit more about Casa. Casa has free Wi-Fi, 24-hour support, apartment and hotel style, easy arrival, all the basics, prime locations, and in some of the most popular destinations. San Francisco Bay area, Chicago, Dallas-Fort Worth area, Austin. So you can come here and check out all of the locations that they're in, and then you can check out some of the reviews. I did a little homework for you. I'll allow you to do the rest. Just a few more other locations here. So let's get over to the job opportunity, and that way you can see what you would be doing at Casa. So Casa has guest experience specialist 1. They have it available in Des Moines, Iowa, Las Vegas, Nevada, Austin, Texas, Orlando, Florida, Dallas, Texas. So I don't know if you have to be in that location. So let's just read here about the role. And I did find this on Indeed. The role, we're looking for a highly motivated individual to join our guest service team and primarily provide phone, email, and chat support to our guests. As a guest experience specialist, you'll build a personal connection with our guests by communicating directly with them every day and having a high-level responsibility. Even though this is a remote role, we want to build a hospitality team that is communicative and exclusive, empowering our team to help every guest feel at home. Every day, you'll strive to create a fantastic and memorable experience for Casa guests. In this role, you will report to a guest experience manager and work closely with your GX specialist, the director of guest experience, teammates from other departments. It takes a special person to help travelers feel at home on the road. So about the team, this is our guest experience department. We have team members located all over the U.S. and the world. Our team is full of people with diverse backgrounds, and we work hard to maintain positive environment within the department. Everyone joined Casa because they are passionate about travel and the hospitality, and they stay because of the great culture. The day in the life of a Casa GX specialist, okay, guest experience specialist. There is no typical day. You will work 8-hour virtual office shifts primarily focused on answering calls for our guests and operating teams, while the majority of your time will be spent answering and making calls. You'll also spend time with guests via other communication channels like text, email, and web-based platforms. Your goal is to quickly take initiative to answer and handle guest issues as they arise. So, as a GX specialist, you will guide the guests through the reservation process and become an expert at all things Casa to help answer unit-specific questions. You will also coordinate and schedule housekeeping as we grow the business and add new units. Your success is measured with the teams. Everyone helps keep missed calls down below 4% each day and maintain a median response time of fewer than 30 minutes for email, 4 minutes for SMS, and 3 minutes for chat while assisting as many guests as possible. We don't measure your handle time for calls because we believe you should spend time necessary to help the guests feel completely satisfied with Casa service. Your CSAT and first contact resolution are measured to stay above 90% for each guest interaction to reach our quality targets and provide exceptional experience for our guests. All team metrics are posted multiple times a day, company-wide, to hold us accountable and motivate us to help our guests. Your metrics are part of the team will be reviewed once a month with your direct manager. We win as a team when we collaborate and hold ourselves accountable to the highest standards of service. So your experience, you have 2+ years experience, industry experience, must be available to work evenings and weekends. You pride yourself on your oral and written communication as well as your organizational skills. You're reliable, consistently on time, and follow through on what you promise. You're proactive by nature and can act decisively when needed. Okay, so these are just some of the experiences they're asking for. I want to get down here and see it's a plus if you've worked in hospitality industry at some point in your career. You have worked in a call center or an organization where phone calls were an essential part of the customer service experience. So that's a plus. They have benefits, remote work with flexible as core value, and as you know, they also offer 3/4 of the team working remotely. Casa employees are able to work from anywhere. Casa travel credit. You get a travel credit. We love to travel. Casa employees get an allowance of free stays with us in any of our locations, plus 50% discount on any nights for friends and family. So competitive salary, we offer base salaries at our above market rates, plus additional earning opportunities based on the position. Health coverage, Casa is building a global accommodation brand unlike any other. We took the best that hotels and short-term rentals had to offer and created a new class of hospitality. So this sounds like an exciting company to work for. I'm going to see if they have any information on training. I didn't see any additional information on training here, but if this sounds like an opportunity that you would love, I encourage you to go ahead and apply and let me know how it goes. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Share this with a friend. Make sure you subscribe and push that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. I hope I get a like. I hope I get a comment below. See you in the next video.